Your Provident Fund claim says 84,500 is settled. So where's the money? This is one of the problems we focused on while redesigning the EPFO website, reducing friction between what a citizen wants to do and what they actually have to understand to do it. The original experience contains powerful services, but citizens often have to understand government terminology, navigate through different sections, and figure out what a status actually means before they know what to do next. So we redesigned the experience around the citizen's goal, not around the structure of the system. Here, instead of simply showing settled, we show the entire journey. The citizen immediately sees that their claim has been settled, but the payment hasn't been confirmed. And instead of making them search for an answer, we explain what happened in plain language, tell them what they don't need to know, and give them the exact next steps. The resolution checklist turns a confusing problem into a simple sequence of actions. We also added contextual AI assistants. The assistant understands the current claim and account context. So instead of giving a generic chatbot answer, it can explain the citizen's actual situation. And with one action, it can turn that context into a ready-to-review grievance. And here's how we build. The redesigned website is built with React and TypeScript, and Codex playing a meaningful role throughout development. We build the citizen journey and structured synthetic data, claims, payment, KYC, employment, transfers, documents, and grievances. That means we can simulate completely different real-world situations: a successful claim, a payment problem, incomplete KYC, and these aren't just visual mockups. Changes the dashboard, notifications, readiness. For AI, we combine the current synthetic citizen state with the curated knowledge base through retrieval, so the assistant can provide relevant contextual guidance. The model can run through a server-side AI layer, while deterministic local guidance remains as a fallback, so the prototype stays reliable even if the external model is unavailable. We also design the experience for real Indian users, including mobile users, slower connections, people who may not be comfortable with digital services, and users who need accessibility support. The interface supports simpler language, Indian language options, larger text, stronger contrast, reduced motion, and clearer touch targets, without creating a separate accessibility experience. Every decision comes back to one question: can we remove one or more unnecessary step, one more confusing term, or more momentum where the citizen doesn't know what to do? We didn't just redesign EPFO just to make it look better. We redesigned it to make every step easier for the person using it. Thank you.